To make this flower-shaped vase, you will need a square sheet. For the video, I use a square of 15 centimeters. Start with the white side on the top and fold the two diagonals. Now fold the bottom edge on the diagonal, like this. Unfold and do the same on all sides. Now fold the corners inwards, following these intersections. Do the same on all sides. Now make a mountain fold following the edge of this triangle. Like this. And do the same on all sides. Now unfold the tips. This makes a square in the middle. Now make a fold between a corner of the square and a corner of the sheet. Watch carefully where you make the folds, because this step is a little tricky. And now you can collapse the vase by valley folding the folds you just created. And making a mountain fold here. Do the same thing on all sides and the model should gradually take shape. tighten the model like this. Once the model is folded well, the sides should remain stuck together. You can now round the petals. And your vase is finished.